Hey guys, so we have a little small problem. Ikea, unfortunately, we realized that as we've been watering her, she doesn't seem to be looking very happy. And I suspected that it's because of the direction in which she's facing. So when you look at the front of her, she's very green and she's growing really well. When you turn her around, some of her leaves look like a bit dull, like almost like it's dying. But I think it's because of lack of sun. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Look. So you can see like all this part, I mean we've turned the pot now, we turned it yesterday actually. You can see here, I know some of these are new leaves, so yes, they are going to be slightly different coloured. But certain parts, like we just had to, you can see like this and, okay. Might be a bit hard to see here, but trust me. Yesterday we actually had, I should have filmed it really. Yesterday we had to take off some of the dead leaves, which the majority of which were at the back of her wick. But this is one of the reasons why I'd say don't leave a plant in my care, because honestly it was Kwame that found her, not me. Okay, so take a moment. Guess what I've got? I've got a desk. I finally got a desk. But I have to say that I got this desk. It's an Ikea desk which I got from, oh gosh, what's it called? Ghana Decor. I don't know. I'll put it, if I've got the name wrong, I'll put it on the screen so you can see it. But yeah, so they have like Ikea desks. They have very much Ikea stuff. So they have like the shelves, you know, the box square shelf things, you know. If you know about Ikea, you know what I'm talking about. They have all that kind of stuff there, which is great. They also had it in the yellow store that I went to the other day, that Ikea shop as well, but they didn't have a desk, which is what I wanted. But when I went there, they didn't have a desk. So I managed to find this shop on Instagram, and so I bought myself a desk. I have actually started building it already, but I'm going to continue, and you guys can see I've also, I'm busy, haven't I? I've been so busy. I've also managed to bag myself a chair. I've literally just gone out just now and I went and got a chair because I was like, I can't just have this desk sitting here being made and torturing me while I don't have a chair, because otherwise I won't be able to sit on it, because we have no chair that would go under the desk. So I managed to get myself a chair, which is here, which you can't see properly. Yeah, I'll show you in a sec. But my chair is here. And so I finally have a working space. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you know the germaphobe that I am, so I'm going to use some wipes and some disinfectant just to clean this chair. Even though it's new, I got it from China Mall because I wanted something cheap and cheerful. I'm still just going to give it a quick wipe down because, you know your girl already. I love it. It's actually really comfortable. Hold on, let me adjust the camera. Oh, we're zooming in. Oh. You don't need to be that close to me. Okay, so I really love this one, right? Because it has this headrest thing as well. So when I'm like feeling stressed, I'll be like, oh, what am I gonna do? I can put my head back on that, see that? So this actually lifts up somehow, there you go. See, it adjusts and, okay, so how much was it? The chair was fairly reasonable actually, I'd say. It was 480 cedis, which translates to this on the screen right here. So I think it was okay. They had some other ones, but I like this one. I really wanted a wheelie one that I could do this. Because this is me thinking. That's me thinking, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna now attempt to finish putting the desk together. Okay. Kwame reckons that I'm not good at building stuff. I think I'm amazing at building stuff. Whenever I make stuff, it always comes out completely amazing. Everything opens nicely, closes nicely. But anyway, I'm pretty sure he's just jealous. I'm sure that's what it has to be. It's just jealousy. So you guys can watch me as I put this together all by myself. You know what I'm saying? All by myself. I actually really love flat packs because I don't know, there's something I just really like about it. It's like a puzzle, isn't it? And I like puzzles. So it's like a puzzle trying to fit all the pieces together and get it all to work. So for me, this is exciting. I know for some people this would be a nightmare, but for me, this brings me pure joy. Because I'm looking at the instructions on my phone here. Because I don't have the paper. I don't know why, but I don't have the paper. So, what does it say? It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, it's cold outside. Okay, so I'm gonna have to scooch down here because it's a bit hard. But anyway, I've given up on instructions because I feel like the instructions actually look more complicated than what the thing is. I think with just a general picture, I think I can work it out. So I'm just gonna stick this other leg on. This is a metal leg actually. It's put to the metal, I don't know. Because I haven't finished, I don't know, but it looks really low to me at the moment, but I'm sure it'll be fine, right? Because I didn't buy this from the kiddie section, so hopefully we should be good. I'm using the wrong screws, so it won't thread. Which kind of, I don't know, what's happening? But then I realised that I was using the wrong screw, you see. That's part of the problem when you don't use the manual. That sometimes you think you're doing something right and you're actually not. I just counted 4 screws and I thought, oh yeah, it must be for this, 4 screws, but it wasn't. Oh no, it's not even straight. Trying to embarrass me on camera, please. I'm actually very good at DIY, so if you guys would like me to like build your shelves, install anything for you, just call me. I'll be right there. That's better. I think the crosshead one, don't tell Kwame, but I think the crosshead one was actually threading the screw, so I'm glad I've changed it. You see in this house, right, you can't get no peace. Just look. Like, why is she standing there?
I'm in a chair actually, this is standing.
Okay, so this is the shelf. So I'm just gonna check where exactly I want the shelf to kind of go. I don't think it goes any particular. Oh no. This is the door, so just ignore me. This is actually the door. Right. This is the shelf. This is the shelf, right? Okay, so I just need to work out where I want it to sit. How high? Okay. Let's just try these anyway. Let's just take a stab in the dark and let's just put it anyway. Right, so before I do that, let's actually put this drawer in. So this is the drawer. So now I know where this is. Now I can work out the shelves. It'll be a bit easier. backwards, and it has, oh, you can't see it, but it has literally bent. Look, I had one this morning, and now this one, I promise I'm not swearing, this one has now, it's just bent backwards. It's bent backwards, and yeah, you can kind of see it. It's, oh, why me? Thank you. Right, I think I figured out what's happened here. I think what I should have done is the hinges, I should have attached to the door first and then put it on there. It probably would have been a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna take them off and do them again. To complete the desk. I've done it. It's all standing. It's not as short as I thought it was. I think what happened was the chair was quite high up, and so therefore the desk felt really short, but now I've lowered the chair and it's in line with the desk. It feels okay. So that's pretty painless, apart from the fact that my nail is now broken and I have to go get them done, which is a bit annoying, but it's fine. It's fine. No big panic. We're okay. But yeah, I must say it feels good because look. The office is feeling really good at the moment. I'll give you a closer look in a moment. But yeah, I wanted to also show you this because I bought this canvas, right? Because although the office is really nice, I feel like it does need some colour in it. So what I did was I bought this canvas. I'm actually going to draw something on here. And I'm going to get Karis to paint it for me. And I'll probably put it like on the wall here or something. I'm not sure. We'll see. Yes, so this gives you a little bit of a closer look. You can see my desk. In fact, let's turn it this way so you can see. There you go. So just reminding myself to relax. Okay, laptop's there. See what I mean? Like, we just need a pop of color. So I'm thinking that if I can get over here, if I can get the canvas on the wall here, like this, right? A really nice canvas right here. I think it will be beautiful, okay? And also to have a plant, so now I'm spinning. That's the handiness of this chair, you see, because you have this chair and you've got, by force, you've got to spin on it. And then have the plant here, down here, right? So, because remember I was saying about I didn't want this space next to the desk, I need to put something here. So I think I'll probably get a plant which will cover the plug and everything. I think that would be really pretty to just have it here, and I think it will be a nice kind of backdrop for when I'm sitting down there. So yeah, all's going well. So I'm super excited now. I have a place to sit. Now my back doesn't have to suffer anymore because my back has been suffering for a long time. I'm always hunched over a laptop and that's terrible. So I feel like in this space now I will be able to do some decent, proper hard work, you know, because I get distracted because normally I sit in front of the TV and I work and I feel like I'm not as productive. But if I'm here and I'm literally, my back is to the TV, I think I'll get more work done and I'll be like in the zone as if I've gone to work. So that's good. So it's so exciting, guys. It really is. It's been a long time coming. There are still a few more things that I want to do. So I'm thinking of also putting a mirror above here or something. Well, actually it was Kwame's idea. He says that I should put a mirror up here, but I'm not sure. A mirror will definitely open up the space to make this space feel bigger, but I'm not sure how I feel about a mirror being up there. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I think I'm done for sure. If you haven't already subscribed, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and don't forget to also like, comment and share this video. I'd appreciate it very much. Until next time, I am out. Naughty Papa.